Okay, I'm recording.
So then you gotta put it sideways.
Carter,
like
watch,
this,
baby. They're gonna shoot the rocket.
so that it doesn't mix. Charlie, this is what you do.
Charlie, watch Daddy. Oh my goodness, what's gonna happen?
So you don't want that stuff to mix, right? And you put the stopper in, all the way down like that, and then you twist it 7 times.
Carter, come here, baby. Watch the wires.
They say that's enough. Alright. Let's see, then you got the baking soda in there and you got the vinegar. Now when we flip it over, they're both going to mix. So when they mix, it's going to start going and then that's the plan. That's what it's supposed to do, okay? So I want you to stand right at that hill. Okay?
Can I sit down or stand up?
Whatever you want to do. You want to sit down? Okay. I'm going to flip it over, and then we're going to wait, and you got to wait for like 10 seconds or so, but we can count down a little bit, okay? Ready? Everybody ready? Here we go. This is the first test launch. And then next time we're going to fill it up with all kinds of stuff. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. That didn't work. I didn't tighten it enough. That thing shot out, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I don't think I tightened it enough.
Charlie, do you want Daddy to try again?
You want me to try it again? Okay, let me go get all this stuff.
And I think we're gonna stand back further this time.
My tummy will not get scared.
Your tummy did not get scared?
No.
Good.
My tummy will not get scared as it's watching.
Good.
My tummy is not that scared of the water.
Well, I'm glad it's not scared of a rocket.